Introducing this 2024 Tecnam P2010 TDI, with 190 hours total time. TBR is reset to August 2037 and warranty is active until August 2027. The engine runs on latest generation G40 coolant, eliminating earlier G48 related corrosion concerns. The sale includes the complete preserved original engine as a spare parts package, valued at over €30,000, ensuring immediate parts availability. Equipped with the Garmin G1000 NXi suite, including GFC 700 autopilot, synthetic vision, ADS-B, and satellite weather. For seats, 400 kilograms useful load with lithium battery, cruise at 135 knots true, over 2 hours endurance with IFR reserves. One owner, camo managed, hangared, no accident history. The most future-ready P2010 TDI currently available in Europe.